What do we do if we add another section and it appears at the bottom, but that's not where we want it to be? So what we are going to do is we need to drag and drop it, but it's very hideous from here. So I opened what is called Navigator on Elementor. You can find it here. You see that green update button in your Elementor. The second symbol from the left, it's 3 parallel squares that you can see from the side on, opens this navigator. So what we can do here is, you see, we work tidy with sections. So we hide the section that we don't need. We just go from the bottom until we get to this section. We want it above this section, basically in between this one and this one. So we left click, we hold it, and we pull the section. This is what we can't see. This is the section we can see. So we pull it above the first section without an eye, because this is the one we can see. And you see, we are right there. It's highlighted blue here. All those sections here have eyes, which means if we click it, we will be able to see it again. Let's just go back and do it. Here we go. Now it's hidden. But this is how you can identify where you want to go, and you can pull the section here fairly quickly. You see? I can show you where it went. It went right here below, between this one, which is hidden right now. But this is a fast way of getting the section where you want it to be using the navigator.